Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another live stream. I hope you guys are ready to take another trip to Print City today, man. It is going to be another very exciting day. We did get the GDP estimates. Now, if you guys were in the space call, the trading space that I was in last night, you would have heard from somebody by the name of, I believe, Jaguar Analytics. Now, what did that individual say? Those of you guys that actually showed up, we were talking about GDP. And what he essentially said was, the estimates are around 1.3 to 3.3. That's the range. The consensus is 2, but the Atlanta Fed has essentially moved their estimate down from like 3.5 all the way down to 1.1. Now, usually the Atlanta Fed moves these estimates around a lot, but by the time they're about to report GDP numbers, it's usually relatively accurate. So literally right as I start streaming, the sun freaking comes out. Give me 2 seconds, team. Again, everybody, make sure you guys slap the literal living shit out of the like button on the way in. It helps out a whole lot. Spreading the good word of what we are doing over here. Jaguar's the man. Dude, that dude is smart. I was listening to those. He nailed it in the call last night. Yeah, he did. I was talking to Gabe about it this morning and last night, and I was like, dude, the only thing that's not nailed on it is the price action. Yeah, we did see the move to the downside, but it is rallying back up. Again, it's not like it wasn't one of those spaces where we're going back and forth, but the way that I was thinking about it, and this is what I wanted to say was, well, what about the fact that if GDP comes in lower than expected, the market is going to take that as well. The economy is not going to be growing as fast of a pace, which means that we have one more rate hike. And it could mean that we're not going to be at these higher rates for as long, which can give us a little bit of a bullish thesis. That was what I was thinking. I was like, well, if it comes in lower, either side of it, if it comes in hot or low, either side of it has a bullish thesis. If it came in hot, they could say, oh, economy's great. It's doing well. Let's run it up. Well, if it comes in lower than expected, then you can go off of the Fed and say, well, the Fed doesn't need to keep these rates as high for as long. So it's very 50-50 on this data coming out here. Usually I have an understanding of where it's going to go for at this point in the data. And with this one, I don't really know what this reaction is going to be. So SPY is ripping back up here to where it was trading before GDP came out. Tessie is just not having any fun. Nvidia over here. Facebook, I didn't realize how many shares of Facebook I owned. I own a lot. So maybe I'll make a call and get out of some today, but this is interesting. This is interesting here. So Facebook, nice little earnings beat here. Here's the thing. If Amazon mentions AI in their earnings call, it's like fucking Nvidia is going to go nuts. But all right, guys, again, for all of you guys filtering in, remember, we are the best place to come and learn to trade. You guys have a first free month with code GAINS. You guys saw the gains that I made yesterday, and all of you guys should have seen Gabe's video yesterday, the 250K in a day. I've told you guys this before. You guys get to learn from the absolute best. Undeniable. He is the best. Who else is making gains like that on a daily basis or in a monthly basis? Who? Nobody. Nobody is able to generate those results. That's why I say the dude's a monster, and he likes to be humble and not really share that, but he showed it yesterday. And again, if you guys want to hop in there and learn from the absolute best, I'll walk you through everything. Gabe's been doing this for years, and he's fucking great at it. I mean, so am I, but again, he 100x'd my gains yesterday, so I'll take that. I'll take that little pat on the head there. Be like, all right, okay. But yeah, guys, there's that QR code right there. Make sure you guys are hopping in. If not, have fun getting left behind and getting led to the slaughter by idiots who don't know what they're talking about. I own Meta. I own Facebook. I don't own fucking Meta. I want to put that out there. I own Facebook. Fuck this Meta nonsense. Oh, but the one thing I didn't like in the Facebook earnings call that I heard, and I said this on the space, well, if they're able to operate at full capacity with the current headcount that they have, why would they then say that they want to hire more people on? Because each person isn't only a cost to the company, they're burning company capital as well, in addition to the salaries that they are going to be paid. Because this metaverse project, they're pouring money into it. Well, if it's not going to generate the desired results, then what the fuck? Then you're just going to piss money away still. And then they are like switching to AI. It's like, all right, well, we'll see what happens over there, but we will see. All right, guys, 13 likes away from 50. Keep running those numbers up in the morning. I hope you guys are ready. Jaguar, Carpathia, David, big brain guys. Yeah, the first interaction that I've had with Jaguar was yesterday. Really smart guy. Really smart guy. But yeah, hopefully I get invited back. I should be on another one of those next Monday, I think. during power hours. So we'll do that. That'll be fun. I mean, we'll be able to, and I think some of the people that I know would be really good on those spaces, like in the actual finance industry. So okay, so I want you guys to realize this here. You guys have some of the best resources at your disposal, and you may not realize it. You guys know I've told you guys very like a lot of times about the Gabe thing, where Gabe's a monster. Like you guys, when he speaks, you listen because the fucking guy knows what he's doing, and he's really fucking good at it. Okay, so then you guys all saw the proof of that yesterday. So again, if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go watch that. It's fucking insane. Um, but when I tell you guys that I have like very like close contact with people very high up in the industry that know what the fuck they're talking about in a way that retail investors just probably don't understand, uh, you guys better listen up. So I'm gonna see if I can get a few of those guys to come on some of his space calls. That would be pretty cool to go and listen to them speak. I'm always blown away when I speak to these people about just things that they're doing, the way that they think about markets and in establishing positions, how they manage them, what they look for. It's very, very, very interesting. Was there an announcement in the Discord? It wasn't a 1348 Twitter space, which we could do in the future. But no, it was a Wolf Financial or Wolf Financial Twitter space. Really good guy. But yeah, let's see here, team. What are we gonna get today? I mean, this is interesting. Spies flying around all over the place. Came back up to the level. Nancy looks interesting. Tessie getting mollywopped. Disney on the daily looks good to the downside. Same thing with Southwest. Amazon could be an interesting one today. I probably don't want to touch it though, just because it has earnings after hours and the premiums are going to be insane. Now, Tesla does have that downside gap at 144. So I would not be surprised if Tessie sold off down there. I really wouldn't. So data was positive. It was, in my opinion, unless GDP came out right at expectations, it was going to be mixed data and you don't know how it's going to react. Let's see. Let's see. All right, folks. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, what do we got? 23 minutes to go. All right, let's check Twitter really quick. Any news coming in? MasterCard says consumer spending remains resilient despite tough economy. I mean, that's good, I guess. See, this is the fucking thing. Like, if consumer spending is remaining resilient, that can mean the economy is healthy, but at the same time, it could be adding to the demand push elements of inflation. It is so mixed right now. Like, you need guidance from the Fed. Did you hear about Powell being prank called on Twitter? No, that's funny. Need layoffs and reduction of household spending, or the Fed won't stop. Right. Well, Wreck-It Ralph, that's what I'm saying here. Like, now, like, if spending's higher, it's like, well, what are you doing? Like, Credit Suisse employee bonuses tied to AT1 bonds also wiped out. Ah! Sucks to suck, Credit Suisse. Stagflation environment. Exactly. High inflation. What is that? High inflation, high unemployment? I believe. I always mess up. It's like that and bonds sometimes messes with my head. Stagflation, high inflation, high unemployment, I believe. I think it's both at once. More rate hikes? Okay. Well, it could have been one of those like AI things that Powell, like that people do with Powell, which are hilarious. Dude, did you guys like the shorts I put out yesterday? When I come home, they say I gotta do homework. You know what I say? Fuck homework. I love that one. I love that one. That one was fun. Cassie slipping, Nancy over here doing its thing. Facebook, dude, want a mission. Dude, bro. Okay, how many shares of Facebook do I have? A lot. My AMD position in terms of dollar amount is bigger than Facebook, and I'm pretty sure I have around 100 shares of Facebook. So what is that? Like 24 grand? So what am I gonna make today? Like 3 grand on that? On the long term? Cool. Cool. Not bad. Long-term investing for the win. Own nothing and be happy. Yeah. Do you guys like that? Oh, yeah. The video I put yesterday. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed that. We can go through that a little bit more in depth here. I think the explanation I could do a little bit better on a live stream, but thinking about that mortgage situation, guys, what is this? What's going on here? Thinking about that mortgage situation, what they're doing is so they're squeezing people in. So I'll give you guys a quick, like very, very quick cliff notes of like what's going on. The executive order, thank you, Wrecker Ralph. What it's doing is it's squeezing home buyers into a price range. So what happens now is that, well, you have to think about who benefits and who loses from this. It's not what you think it is. It's not high credit versus low credit. That doesn't matter, like in this whole situation. If you have an institution or an organization that has been buying up a shitload of these houses in cash, above ask, above over the last like 2 or 3 years here, and now you're squeezing everybody into that price point, what happens? Demand in that price point goes up, so the value of those houses go up. Now what happens? Okay, so in these areas that they've bought in, the values of these properties are up, but they bought them in cash. They're unlevered returns. They can go to a bank, which they probably already have a good relationship with, get a very, very favorable interest rate because they can do these. They can do these mortgages. They actually probably could do some of these in bulk, in terms of almost like a portfolio loan. And now they have a levered return, and they get to take their money out, or a vast majority of their money, with a little bit of a gain, and it's tax free. Then what do? Well, they go to the surrounding area and they start buying a lot of those houses, further pumping the value of the houses that they already own. Okay. So then you might be thinking, well, those people with lower credit scores that were able to buy those houses, yeah, they might be able to generate long-term wealth if they hold it. But if somebody were to come to you and you bought a $300,000 house and they offer you 450 cash, you're probably taking it. So yeah, you make 150, but what if that house is going to be worth 800 grand within the next 35 years? Okay, so you just missed it. Then you go back into the rental market and are just pissing money away and giving money back to the institutions. Low credit is not the winner. It's the institutions that are already front-loaded the houses. The BlackRock alley-oop. Well, I thought it was BlackRock. It was actually Blackstone. That's why we talked about Blackstone in the video. I mean, BlackRock was getting mixed into that, but it wasn't them. It was never them. Tessie selling. All right, let's see. High inflation, rising unemployment, stagnant demand. This is just started to yeah, okay. So I was right on that one. That video was solid. Thank you guys. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'll make a video about the some of the swing trades that I've had too. Make some shorts about it. It'll be fun. I got to make that for you guys. Say, dude, we have so much shit to do all the time for you guys, which is good though. Keep ourselves busy. Good morning, Vixen, everyone. Benjamin Israel, what's up, buddy? How you doing? All right, guys. Remember, everybody gets their first month free to the platform. There you go. QR code on the screen. Use code GAINS, GAINZ. It's also in the top of the live chat here. Again, you guys saw. I mean, none of the people that, again, I know some of you guys listen to other people. It's like none of the other people that you listen to are able to do what Gabe has done and what we are able to do on a consistent basis here. So you want to learn from the best? That's great. If not, I mean, you can continue fucking around with children who don't know what they're talking about. But team, make sure you guys slap that like button on the way in, and let's do it. Becco. Ah! All right, T. This is gonna be fun. What a day. That's a lot of spy levels. Oops. Oopsies. All right. Facebook 205 call it closed yesterday. 10 contracts open will be a quick closeout. You're gonna make a lot of money on that. You're gonna make a lot of money on that. The intrinsic value 205s, $3,500. If that's the intrinsic value of that, about $3,700. That's about the intrinsic value of per contract, which is just the difference between the strike and the current price of the stock. So if the current price of the stock is under the strike, it's zero intrinsic value. If it's well above, I mean, again, you could $5 above intrinsic value, $500. You're gonna nail that. GDP report not good. Yeah, okay, I don't want to say it's not good. I mean, like coming in lower on GDP is like not great in a normal market environment, but what are we in? Not a normal market environment. So we really got to wait and see where they want to take this thing. Tesla though could be a really interesting one to the. Let's see if it gets this follow through to the downside. I mean, this is cooking. You've seen Tesla drop like 15, 16% since earnings. So we do have that gap down below at 144, I believe. I'd be very interested to see what happens out of there. Disney, interesting to the downside on the daily. I want to see what happens there. Nvidia, I mean, I'm still in some Nvidias here. Probably, so I do have Tesla calls too. They have a lot of time on them. Probably going to ditch them at open and then reestablish something else potentially if we end up seeing that gap fill. I mean, there is a gap above too. There's a big earnings gap above, but I think it's more likely that we're going to see the gap below first. Yeah, the Tesla gap is in play. That's why I'm ditching it. I won't be down very much. I mean, I'll be down within the normal stop that I'll have on the swings, which is fine. It was a little bit overzealous and too soon on the Tesla trade. I still like the thesis. I think I was just too early on it. I think we are going to come down to that gap, that 144 level, and then we'll see what happens from there. People are looking for your link in the Discord. Bro, I literally posted it twice. Oh, I didn't post it. There you go. I posted it there. Oh, I didn't post it. My bad. All right, there we go. I posted it there. Sorry, I had it all written out and I didn't post it. I had it posted in Market Talk, though. I added everyone a little bit while ago. Whoops, my bad. Yeah, I just posted it there. All right, folks, keep smacking that like button on the way in. That's why you guys all need to have your notifications turned on for the channel here so you don't miss anything. Okay? Yeah, the Tesla gap definitely is in play. I mean, I still like the Nvidia. I really do like this. This is a good one. I mean, I'm already basically all out of it. I do have some contracts laying around, though, on it, seeing if it wants to get that follow-through move up. You managed to go to YouTube and find it all by yourself. Daily Taylor, smart man. Smart man there. Gap is laying off 1,800 corporate workers, GPS. That could probably get in a little move up off that. I want Bentley, I want money. Bro, I don't know if you guys are on this side of Twitter, but it's so funny. In Diamond, this is gonna hurt when I say this. I don't give a flying fuck what Ryan Cohen says. He's not on your side. He rugged you on Bed Bath & Beyond, and most of the stocks that he touches end up in the shitter. So please be careful. I don't care what Ryan Cohen says. But going back to this funny stuff on Twitter, there's a side of Twitter where people will post that like video, like pictures of themselves, like, and it's probably their cars and stuff, but they'll say like random numbers. They'll be like, I'm worth like 100 million, 19 years old. And it just pisses everybody off because they're like, no, you're not. You're not worth that. And it's like, if you're smart, you understand that it's a fucking joke for engagement, but people freak out. It's so funny. Like this one that I'm looking at right here is hilarious. I saw one where it was like I made 12 cents today, 2.5 years old, and it's just some dude walking around like Tate. Like, dude, these videos are hilarious. Awfully bullish of you to say it like that. Oh no. Oh no. Diamond. Yeah, man. Here's the thing, buddy. I'm gonna let you know my track record very quickly. The day before AMC ran in June, I had a video out. You can go back and look. AMC's about to explode. Cool. The day Ape came out and everything else was happening, and all my live streams after, I was saying that you guys need to be very, very fucking careful because this is literally nothing more than fancy convertible debt spiral financing. And it's just the worst idea of all time. So I want you to use some logic. Those situations are over. Please do not blow up your whole entire financial situation. Please. Seriously, don't. Don't do that. Let's see. You're going to get hurt. Please don't. All right, guys, we got a lot of slackers in the live stream here. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. We got how much time? 11 minutes to go until open. Let's do it. Like, seriously, bro, Diamond, fucking be careful because this is not the market. I mean, at this point, you've already kind of cucked yourself, but I mean, do what you got to do. You can hate me all you want. I don't care. I care about being correct. You've been watching the presidential AI videos. You've been watching presidents play Pokemon. And how dare you compare GameStop to AMC? What a bunch of malarkey. Fair. They're both in the shitter, though, so what do you want from me? Like, same thing, bro. Get your head out of the echo chamber. Don't be playing around with nonsense. You're going to get hurt. Do you look at 5-minute or 4-hour strategic options? 4-hour daily would be the smart move. But it's literally giving you daily cross alerts. So you're again, watch the swing trading videos. If you're playing off the daily, you know what time frame to be looking at in terms of expiration dates. If you're playing 4-hour, you also know. It's all in the swing trading videos. But why did the moon? What was I saying like 2 months ago? Bankruptcy is not a buy signal when the stock was trading at 4. What's that now? Like fucking 20 cents? Yeah, okay. Good luck, everybody. Kansas Fed Index. Hold on. What is that? I don't think anything winning loser. What's today? When is today? Thursday? No, we got pending. We got jobs report and pending home sales at 10. Interesting. Master today? Yeah, he already sent you guys an announcement. Let's see. Any classes or people who want to start playing the markets? Yeah, Anthony, you get your first month free to the platform where we have over 25 learning curriculum videos for you. Again, here we go right here. You got your QR code on the screen. You got the link at the top of the live chat. Use code GAINS for 1 month free, and you are good to go. You guys get to hop in there with us. Now, again, I just want to pose this question to you guys. Would you guys rather learn trading from and I'm gonna hype up Gabe here a little bit. From a multi-millionaire who's been doing this for years, who yesterday made $250,000 in a day, or some fucking kid sitting in his mom's basement on fucking Reddit? I know what I'm picking. You guys know what I pick. So if you guys want to hop in there, you guys know where to go. QR code on the screen. The link is at the top of the live chat. Use code GAINZ. You guys are good to go. Yeah, and all you guys that still need to upgrade to Masterclass, you guys know how to do that. Go to your subscriptions page, click Get Master, and you guys are good to go. But let's see here. Ooh, we still got some slackers on the like. Dude, we got over 100 slackers on the like button over here this morning. All right, I see how it is. And Tessie's starting to pull back up here a little bit, but that's nothing crazy. SPY, let's see what this does. We got 7 minutes until open. Nancy, a little pop there. I like that. Whenever you plan on flexing on these 19-year-old multi-billionaires on Twitter, what cars do you have your eyes on, if any? I'm getting the, what do you call it? I want a Pista. That's what I want. I was thinking about getting an Aston Martin for my birthday, but then I was like, I still live in Boston, so like, why would I do that? Can't fucking drive it anywhere. There's potholes. There's people crash, like doing stupid things. Like then I got to pay a bunch of money to park it. Like, nah. When I move to Florida, I'll get a cool car though. When I move to Florida, I'll get something cool. Whip around and something. Steal your wife. I'm just kidding. Oh, 4 likes away from 100. You guys are ripping it now. What up, team? Let's see. Tessie down 95 cents. Okay. Nancy. Dude, Nancy's at fucking... I think Nancy could do it. If the market turns up today, I think Nancy could do it. Oh, you're in Dorchester? Oh, sweet. Nice, Ricky. It's an EV. I don't like EVs. I sound like that's like my boomer statement. It's like, I don't like these electric vehicles. I like to hear this. Like, but I just don't. Mullen, DOG, I think it's a piece of shit. I don't play around with stocks like that. And one of the main reasons people do is because they think that a penny stock can make them rich. No, that's not what we do around here. We consistently make money in the market, playing safely, putting the advantage in edge on our side. In that I don't fuck around with any of that. And I don't think that it is a smart choice for anybody to do that. But it is your money. You can piss it away however you like. That's really kind of what it comes down to at the end of the day. If you want to listen to these people that just don't know what they're talking about with these stocks, cool, go for it. But like, look at this thing, dude. It's an absolute piece of garbage. It's at 7 cents, bro. Piece of garbage. Like absolute garbage, man. Do I ever use Invictus? Yeah, of course I do. I use everything, guys. I use everything. It just depends on what I'm looking at that specific time. Where's TLT right now? Okay. Amazon. Yeah, I'm already up. Also, I took a little futures trade this morning too on the paper account. Already up 812 today on the futures account. Yesterday I was up like $2,000 on it. Next week I'll probably start that little funded account challenge for fun. And then I'll make some update videos on that throughout the time. It'll be fun. Gains code doesn't work. It's GAINZ, and make sure you're putting it in the coupon code area, not the like there's a coupon code area and then there's another area. Don't put it in the other area. You got to put it in the coupon code area. Or again, we have another one that's Print City for $5 for your first month, but the gains code should work. And I've seen it working this morning, so it's got to be on your end. Yeah, it's definitely working. Thank you. My friend who I know is watching needed to hear that about Mullen. Yeah, guys. I mean, retail investors, it sucks to say this, but a lot of you guys are just hunting for a lottery ticket. Stop. Why are you doing that? It's just groupthink bullshit on social media. You know how that ends? In tears. In fucking tears. All right, 3 minutes to go until open. See what the market wants to do here. That 407.50 on SPY is going to be big. Nancy, bro. Let's go. Come on, NVIDIA. Let's make some money today, huh? You paid for lifetime? How do I get credit for 3 months? No. Bad. You can't do that. Yeah, make sure, .mob, make sure you're putting it in the coupon code area. And if not, shoot me a message on Twitter and I'll help you out with that later. Gains code don't work. You said it again. But you still, I don't know. Here's what you can do, though, .mob. If it's not working, go to the Trade 1348 Twitter account, join the free area of the Discord, drop a question in there in the questions area, and then they will help you out. I'm not support. The gains code does work. I've seen it working. So that's going to be an issue that you're going to have to resolve with our support team. I mean, you can try Print City. That's the $5 for your first month code. But the gains code does work. All right, folks. 2 minutes to go. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Where's Disney? Disney. 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 I want family. I want money. All right, let's see. 1 minute. We're about to get the ding ding. Here we go, folks. All right, here we go. Why Crocs down with good earnings? Probably guidance or just something they said. Nancy looking spicy. All right, how much? 15 seconds. SPY moving. Nancy getting a little spicy. Come on now. Here we go, folks. This is going to be another fun day. I hope you guys are ready. And again, make sure you're using that gains code. Hopping into the platform. Get your first month for free. Ding, ding, ding. Market open. Cool. Wow, I'm up 80% on the Nancy's. Holy shit, 82. Nancy, woo, baby. All right, let's see. Yeah, I ditched the Teslas. I think that was down 12% stop out, which is fine. It easily could pop today. That's perfectly fine with me. I don't care. I want to wait around and see if I can get that a better entry and fill that gap. Disney looks interesting here. Disney's got my attention. Let's see. The option shade's not 75% on spy calls. There you go. Yeah, Tessie turning up there. That's fine. I just don't want it at these ranges. It's got that giant gap down below. You just want to give a shout out to your friend Tor. He introduced me to this awesome community. Didn't know what options were a month and a half ago. Now I know exactly what I'm looking for. Andrew, Tor's your buddy? Oh, that's fucking awesome. Shout out to you, Tor. Shout out to you both. That's awesome. Yeah, Tessie getting a little action there. If they piss me off with that move, I'm going to be so upset. Disney still looking interesting. Amazon looking interesting. Spy flatlined. A friend of Tor's, a friend of ours. Yeah, we love Tor, buddy. Tor's our guy. The Disney chain is not updated. Where's AMD? I don't really need Facebook up here, but where's AMD? AMD is slipping here. AMD is slipping aggressively on the 5-minute. Hello, watch out here. Nancy coming back down. Let's see what we got. You got this 272.50 level here. Let's see. 3-minute traffic light down. Met Tor through music a couple years ago. Audio engineered his first EP. Oh, that's fucking sick, dude. AMD, you have my attention. Coming down to the 85.50 level. Yeah, there goes Disney. Did the chain update yet? Yep. Let's see. Apple running? Yeah, Apple is running up here. Nancy slipping. AMD has my attention here on this level, 85.50. That is cooking. Microsoft running too. Interesting. Spy trying to head higher. All right, let's see. NVIDIA right down to this 200 EMA here. That's interesting. On the 3, where's it on the 5? 5's got a little bit more room, but you're fucking with this level here. Tessie back up. Disney up a little. Not really. Apple is running. Nancy slippage. AMD slipping back lower. Nancy off this 3-minute 200 could get spicy, though. Let me see if I can nail this here. Nah, man, that's not going to give it to me. Let's see. Google's doing the thing again. What's the thing? Come on, Nancy. Fucking tank a little. Give me that. There is Nancy at the 3-minute 200 slipping. Let's see. Ooh, knife candle. Let's see if this moves back up or if it cracks down through that. Let's see. Shark, shark, shark. Let's see. 8.9% on the day. You think you're done? Damn, son. There you go. AMD back down to this level here. That's interesting to me. Let's see what we get here. Spy fucking around. Spy's trying here. Spy's making an attempt. 6.7% on the Tesla knife done for the day. SV training snipers out here. Yes, sir. There you go, buddy. Let's see. Cool. Disney, interesting here. Spy, Nvidia. This move is interesting, man. Where's AMD? Yeah, AMD's down there, bro. Yeah, the chips are struggling here. Chips are definitely struggling. Nvidia just getting killed here. Off of 270 could be interesting. About to get a new candle as well. Spy struggling above this level here. Microsoft running. No, that's a chase. That's a chase. Let's see what we got here. Amazon testing the two. Dude, Nvidia is getting mollywopped. Let's see. That is some aggressive cooking here. AMD, same deal. Tessie looks like it might want to get a little spicy here. Let's see. Let's see. 407 on the SPY. Nvidia breaking 270. Oh my lord. Look at that, bro. Look at this. All right, let's see. SPY slipping. Disney holding, but it's getting a little iffy here. Dude, where is the level it's hunting? I mean, you've got 269.50. You've got 268 down here. You have my attention, Nancy. $0.04 away from going red. Nancy in the red. Let's see. This thing is cooking, dude. Let's see. 6% on the board with NVIDIA puts done for the day. Good shit. Let's see what Nancy wants to do here. Let's see. 37% off the NVIDIA cliff dive. There you go. There you go. Let's see if it bases here and starts to move back up. I mean, this thing is cooking. SPY slipping a little bit here. Nancy back above 270. Let's see. All right. Scalped that. That's nice. All right, we'll do this. Shut the screen down. That better be a stop. Yeah, it is. Cool. Let's see. AMD's got my attention down here, though. Tesla's moving. Yeah, Tessie looking all right here. Disney's looking interesting. Let's see here. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in, and make sure you all are getting your first month free to the platform so you guys can learn how to do this every single day. Let's see. Nancy new low. Let's see. Microsoft could be very interesting for a 3-minute thigh gap here. Yeah, Microsoft looks interesting here. It's getting there. SPY's just kind of fucking about. Took 24% of the Microsoft cross up using the stop loss strategy. Account up 2.93% for the day. On to something else now. There you go. There you go. All right. NVIDIA just getting booty clapped down here. Just booty clapped. Watch 268.69. Let's see. Just wanted to pop in and say hey and thanks. Good shit, Luigi. I love seeing you guys win. All right. I mean, this is aggressive on NVIDIA here. Like very, very, very aggressive. I don't know what happened here. I mean, SPY's looking okay. Disney coming up to that level. There goes Nancy on the 1 minute. Disney breaking out here. Dude, Nvidia is just getting killed. Let's see what this. I mean, SPY's looking okay here. Let's see. There's that 268.50 we were looking at. 268.69, 268.50. Here we go. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Nancy, what are you gonna do? Spy's still trying to break 407.50, dude. Building my small account, $500 account up 4% on the day. There you go. Morgan Stanley expects US GDP to contract by 0.4% in Q2. Let's see. Spy broke it. Spy shooting here. Nancy doesn't care. Let's see. There it goes again. Let's see. Do, 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 do. You kept your Tesla calls from yesterday. Can you show the gap down you saw? It's at 144. That's where the gap is on Tesla, 144. Ooh, we do have this level here on Nvidia, 266.70. That could be an interesting one. Let's see. Spy looking good. Let's see. Microsoft running. Watch NVIDIA off this 266.70. That could get really interesting. 267.05. Dude, this thing is just in knife land here. Look at this. This is just knife, 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 knife. Here it goes. Let's see. It needs to not, like, this is aggressive, bro. Like, it is very, very, very close to, like, just uh-oh land. SPY looks good. Let's see. Tesla did that this week. Now NVIDIA's doing it. Yeah, it is. This is breaking the level here. Look at this. And it tapped it. It just gave it a little tippity tap. Where's Baba? Baba's still hanging on here. Data in 3 minutes. Yeah, new home sales. Done for the day, up 3.03% on the port. There you go, buddy. There you go. Love that. AMD didn't get hit as hard, but this is still really bad. But at this level here, we could be in for some fun. What's up with NVIDIA and AMD? I don't know. All the stuff has been pretty bullish for chip makers. We will see. Yeah, we got a minute left until data here too, so be careful, everybody. This was what I like to call thigh gap extension. 14% port gain done for the day. Good shit, Big C. All right, 10 seconds until data. I mean, you do have another level down here at 263. Just you're just gonna break it and go. Yeah, it's just breaking. Watch the next level, maybe. Pending home sales index minus 5.2% to 78.9 in March. There you go. NVIDIA just went from 274 to 266. That's insane. Exxon. Wait, I think I got to refresh this. Yeah, nothing today. What about Broken Light? Southwest. Where's Southwest? Nice gap down. Let's see. You have a put position? Oh, it looks good. I mean, Southwest is great on the daily. Let's see. Spies. It's teetering. I mean, I wouldn't touch this now on Southwest, but like that's a solid move. What was the other one we were looking at? Adobe. Adobe's an interesting one. Adobe, watch this on the 5. Yeah, waiting on the AMD reversal. The AMD, I mean, the AMD has more room to come down, 83, 84. Nancy's just dying here. I don't really like it, man. Gabe probably made another 200 grand. I wouldn't be surprised if he did, man. I've told you guys, he's a monster. You guys get to learn from the best. So make sure you guys are hopping in there for your 1 month free. All right, where is SPY right here? If it breaks here, that could get interesting. If it breaks like this recent high, this could get a little spicy coming back up. I don't know if it's going to help NVIDIA, though. 4 green days in a row, all around 3% on your way to the promised land. Mike, there you go, buddy. Do you include after hours? Sometimes, yeah. Nah, I don't like NVIDIA here, dude. That doesn't make any sense. Actually, here's what I'm going to do as well. All right. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking the like on the way in. Spy's trying. Nancy's trying. It's like the first green candle in fucking forever. Still early. Let's see. It can't get back above 267. It's trying. Spy shark. Huh. Baba. Yeah, 3-minute 200 on Baba. Spy slipping. Let's see. Let's see if this does a little tappy tap. Getting people to panic sell, then rip back up. It's very possible, especially with like Nvidia and all these other ones. No, these premiums aren't really moving right now. That's interesting. Holy Baba, what happened? There she goes. There she goes, Baba. Yeah, 2 minutes left on that candle. That could get interesting. What did I do to my leg here? I don't like Nvidia today. This is just like, yeah, it could come back up, but that's just too aggressive. Disney running. Can Netflix do it? Ooh, Netflix looks good. That's, I mean, dude, Baba's just bouncing off this level here, bro. There goes Nvidia a little bit. Spy trying. Netflix doing a little movement here. What's Netflix look like on the 4-hour of the daily? Shitty on the 4-hour. Shitty on the daily. Okay, let's see. No, and Nvidia's right back down. Cool. Spy looks, oh, it's close, man. Oh, I was trying to get an order filled on that and it wouldn't do it for me. Amazon earnings after hours too. That could get interesting with Baba. AMD coming off the lows. Nvidia trying to get going here finally. I mean, AMD could be the one that goes here. Huh, okay. No, Nvidia just sharked. Dude, Nvidia hates its life today. Just hates it. I mean, you're right at this 262 or 266.50 as well. Is this off of is Amazon moving like this? Is that why Bob is moving? Yeah, it might be. Amazon bouncing up here. Baba looks like it wants to go with it a little bit. Yeah, 3-minute thigh gap on Nvidia doesn't look terrible. Was there news on Nvidia? I don't see anything either. The thing just got killed. All right. Let's see. FRC moving and halted. Yeah, honestly, I don't really care about FRC. Baba moving nicely here. Tessie's trying to break. It looks like a lot of things are moving very slow. Huh, okay. We got PCE tomorrow. We got Amazon earnings after hours. Let's see. AMC's finally moving well. No, AMC is a pile of garbage. What is it at? $4, $5? Even if it's at 8, it's still terrible, dude. Yeah, I like that consolidation on Nvidia, but Spy's trying to break here finally. Dang, I wish I got filled on that futures position. That would have been fun. Is this 5-minute thigh gapping? Yep. That's interesting. Come on. Spy, big pop there. Baba moving, Amazon moving, AMD trying, Nvidia not really doing well, but trying. Yeah, there she goes a little. Okay. Nancy trying to move. Let's see. Any AMC love? No, absolutely not. Why do you guys think I changed my fucking opinion after I told you guys after 8 that it's a pile of garbage when the combined value was at 18? What, you want me to hurt your feelings more? Like, I don't get it, man. No, it's garbage. Spy running. There you go. Baba looking a little spicy here. What's it up today? Who cares? It's down fucking 90 something percent from since when I told you it's garbage. Like, what are you, one of those people that like loves when stocks go down and then when it goes up a couple percent, you're like, wee, yay. No, that's not the way to be doing things. Shilly, you're a shill. No, I'm just correct. That's the problem with being correct. People just come in here and are like, ah, oh no, oh no. You're telling me it's not going to go to $1 million a share? Oh no. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in here. We're trying to save retail investors from behavior like that. Let's see. Let's see if Nancy can get back above 268. There you go. Let's see. Nearly new. Our platform is built for people like you to literally get out of this terrible mindset that you have. So here's the link. It's 1 month for free. Use code GAINS and you will be set free. I'm telling you right now, you will be set free. Spy just getting spicy over here. God. Baba. Leaving retail holding the bag once again. Yep, probably. I bet they think strippers like them too. I bet they do. I bet they do. It's okay. I mean, because of people like that, we're able to make so much money in the market every single day by taking advantage of just the wrong way of thinking, which is good. It's more money for us. Spy a little retrace here. Let's see. Can Tesla break above 160? That's a big move from where we're currently at, but it's running. It's running. Is this the 3-minute 13 it's fucking with? Nah, it's like the 3-minute 10. You played Tesla for the first time this morning. Quick 10% with the tuh. There you go. Tuh strategy undefeated. There you go, buddy. You get it, but you still have a big AMC position, so I wish we could just ignore it. If you ignore your problems, that doesn't make the problem go away, man. I mean, remember, we've been telling you guys for a year. You should not be fucking around. Why are you fucking around and finding out? I don't get it. I don't understand. I really don't. Gabe's thesis was on point of that bounce off the 4-hour on the SPY. He's a monster, guys. What do you expect? What do you expect? Nancy is trying. It's got to get above this 3-minute 13 and then can maybe make that attempt all the way up to the 5-minute 13 here at 269, like 20, but it needs some juice. You can't do it at this level. Why didn't you listen when we told you? That's what I have to say. Why didn't you listen? We were screaming it from the rooftops. Screaming it, dude. Now, all those other people that were telling you it's a good idea, you should go back and tell them, fuck you. Not fuck me. I was the one that told you guys that it was a pile of shit. Seriously. Amazon going, Baba fucking around. You had a limit order before Ape didn't fill. It is what it is. You had all that time after. When Ape was at 10, when AMC ran a little bit. It's like, no, there's really no excuse. It's like, we told you. Let's see. Nancy coming back down. Baba Sharky Shark. Spy slippage. Matthew, I get it, but at the same time, when other people are going to come in here and say it, I'm not going to be like, "Oh, it's all sunshine and rainbows for every." No, that's just not how it's going to work because that's not the reality of the situation. Just like when I said, "It's over." It was over. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm not going to sugarcoat it to make you feel good because that doesn't help anybody. Tessie moving up. Spy, nice little retest here. So, and we've given you guys this opportunity to come in to make money in the market for the better half of a year. Again, some of you guys listen and are printing. Some of you guys don't. Let's see. Spy looks interesting here. Spy looks very interesting here. Okay. Oh, that's not the number. That's the number. Cool. Let's see what we get here. No, I know you're not asking me to sugarcoat anything, but to say like, oh, don't talk about it because it's just going to keep it out of our minds. It's like, no, that's silly. Let's see if Spy can get a nice little break up here. Off this retest, I think it could. Let's see. I mean, this is probably retesting the 1 minute. It's kind of slipping here on the one. Let's see if this thing can get bought back up. Here she goes a little. NVIDIA consolidation before the rip. I think that's possible. We'll see what happens with it, though. Yeah, here comes Spy a little. Come on. Little crack. Yeah, NVIDIA really is just consolidating at the lows. It just hurts to hear it. Probably I need the tough love. You do. You all do. Let's see. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Bloop, bloop. Ooh, slippage. So this might just be looking to retest on the 3. Is he holding on? There we go. Come on, Nancy. Come on, Nancy. Come on, Nancy. Spy's fighting over the 4-hour 13. The upside. Yeah, where's that? 408.05. Yeah. All right, let's see. This is just weird. It's just strange price action, dude. It's just fucking around. SPY back above 408. I think we'll see. I mean, this could break down from here, but it's setting up nicely for a nice little retest, turn and burn. Not every day is a good trading day. Yep, that's correct. Where's AMD? AMD was the nice one off this move on the 3-minute. Thigh gap, boom, right here. Ride it all the way up. Nancy's just struggling. For now, we'll see. All right. Do you think everyone is worried what's going to happen with FOMC next week? No, we're getting a 25 basis point rate hike, and that's going to be the end of it. We're going to get our 25, and then we'll see what happens. Nancy's got to break this high, this 268, in order for it to really get going here. It looks good consolidating at this level with thigh gap. RSI trying to break above its moving average here. That could be all right. We'll see. We will see. SPY above 408. That's interesting. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nancy. Come on, Nancy. Do what your brother's doing. Come on. There goes SPY a little. Come on, hit my sell limit, ES. Fucking asshole. Come on, Nancy. Yeah, there we go. Need to be bigger than the last candle down. I'm not sure what you mean by that, Zachary. All right. Tessie retesting there. SPY looking interesting here. Let's see if this thing can break up through day high. I mean, ES is struggling, but it's getting there. If it can run up through a couple of these levels here, you're going to look pretty good. Nancy said fuck off. Just overall weakness on this thing today. If it can get a break, though, I mean, it's setting up for a potential big move. It just needs to get above 268. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what you want to do here, SPY, after this little retest. You want to get going? Or are you going to get booty clapped? What are you going to do? $5% on Micron, thanks. There you go, buddy. The The reversal candle does need to be larger than the last red candle. Is there another measure to confirm the reversal? No. It's colors of thigh gap. It's dark, light, light, dark, things like that. Here we go on SPY. Come on, ES. Go break. Go break something. Nancy back down below 267. It's just flashing here. This 5-minute is just like pure consolidation. Yeah, it's almost like it's just waiting for it to go bloop and then just start going off to the races here on the SPY. Like right up here, if it breaks this, you'll probably get a nice carry on through. %10 on AMD, working on taking the smaller gains. Thank you, 1348. Jake Navarro, there you go, buddy. Again, guys, everybody has access to get their first month completely for free with code GAINS. There you go. You said, but it won't? I wouldn't be too sure about that. Bing! Order filled. Nice. Just ripped some ES there. That's pretty nice. Cool. What's holding QQQ up? Usually seems to follow AMD and NVIDIA. Facebook. Facebook, Amazon, all the other big boys. Here she comes. End of day 405. I wouldn't be. I don't think that's out of the question at all. I think that could easily happen. U.S. economy expected to contract for 2 quarters. Here we go on SPY. What am I up on the futures account? 2,800. Cool. All right, here comes the SPY up. Let's see if it can break this high. Making my way downtown. I mean, okay, so what Nancy really needs to do is first step, break the 3-minute 13. Second step, 5-minute 13 is going to be the next level there on NVIDIA. But you really, in order to get spicy, 268 is the break there. You need to see it's this level right here. This little double top. It's like tech earnings made people forget about the banking problems. The problem is that we already know what the banking problems are. So when they reiterate it, it's almost like it doesn't matter because the market has already priced it in. I'll throw the stop there. Here we go. Let's see if this can carry through. The problem is that it could come right up to here and then boom, death. That's one of the things that I do foresee potentially happening. 7.4 million float. No, it could squeeze. Also, no. Get out of here. We're not over here chasing short squeezes, bro. That's silly. That is silly. Tesla looking good here. Oh, here we go. That's flashing above the high there. Let's see if it gets killed. ES is at equal high, like same high. Hasn't broken it yet on ES. SPY broke. ES would need to break for this thing to really go. And for those of you guys that don't know, ES is the S&P futures. Nvidia's up and down a lot on Speed Racer. I bet it is. I bet it is. This thing's just flashing around all day. Yep, SPY didn't like it. White outline of the candles. It tells you that a traffic light is probably coming. $409.31's the 4-hour 24. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, I mean, I only have 5 ESs still open, and those are up 1062. Entry was at 4110.50. If it breaks this and it breaks out from here, I mean, it's still just tapping this high. It hasn't broken through yet. If it does, it could be pretty aggressive. Here comes Nancy a little bit, nothing crazy. It's literally chilling right at the high on ES. Here comes Nancy a little. There goes 268. Let's see if this thing can get going. Levels on NVIDIA, you got to get a nice clean close of 268. You got to break this 3-minute 13, which I believe it's doing right now. Yeah, where's that? 267.79. You got to hold there. A candle close above 268 would be very interesting. SPY still fucking around. ES is just tapping, dude. It is just tippity tapping right here. Like if this just goes, bloop, you might have some action. Yeah. I don't know why my speakers are all messed up, but that was another fill on ES. All right. Futures account on paper. Again, its paper count is up $3,400 for the day. That was my second trade. SPY seems really topped out. You're right, it does. But here's the thing. This could be one of those bait and switch days going up until earnings, and it could be like the inverse of what we saw yesterday, where it just runs. Nancy didn't like it here, but it did get that 3-minute candle close, which is interesting. The 5-minute still looking okay. Amazon's pushing. What's that doing to Baba? Is that doing anything to Baba? A little bit. Amazon definitely pushing here. Why is it fucking... Why the fuck is this futures broker so Let me move the damn chart, bro. Stop readjusting it for me. If I want to adjust it, I'll fucking adjust it myself. I hate when it does that. That's the one thing that I haven't been able to like get completely. All right. Nancy, again, 268 is going to be that key level that you got to break. If it can break there, get up to that 5-minute, there we go. 5-minute 13 and actually get a candle close above, you could see a nice little reversion move back to the upside there. Amen to that chart adjustment. Does it do that for you too? I fucking hate it. Like I move it and then it goes big and I'm like, all right, well, that was kind of an asshole thing to do. Like, my stop is at how many points? 2.5 in terms of a gain on the remaining 2. All right. Nancy's starting to turn up here. I like that. Let's see. Oh no, stop filled. Something happened with my fucking audio over here. So futures count for the day is up 32.49. Pretty good. Pretty good there, man. Oh, did that ever fill or no? Nah, close though. Spy Shark. Right back to that 3-minute 13 though. Gabe's video on using the 4 hour on the daily to build a thesis for intraday was a big tip. Doubled my usual percentage today by feeling more confident in the trend. Vin, that's awesome, bro. Again, guys, you guys know where to go if you want to learn. Like the best place. Oh, hold on one sec. Like, dude, we are the best place to come and learn how to trade. It's literally, you can't refute it at this point. So again, if you guys want to hop in, first month for free, there you guys go. Spy turning. Now it's bouncing off the 3-minute 13. AMD was the big one here. AMD was the mover off of this candle right here. Nvidia didn't really do it. Like, it's kind of doing it, but not really. It needs that 268 break. It needs a big floop. I mean, I don't really want to take any more futures trades here. It literally just flashed above the high and then came down. So I'll wait until later if I want to do anything else on that. But that's 2 for 2 today. One in the pre-market, one over here. That was pretty good. AMD paid. Yeah. You pumped it 0.5% on your port and one Tesla trade, first green trade on the live port. There you go. Nvidia's prepping here. It's getting ready. It's getting ready. Unless if the SPY doesn't die here, Nvidia should be all right. Where's the 268.41's the 13? Up 1.8% today. Stopping here unless the trade appears that can't be avoided. I'm just 9% away from doubling your account since trading with you daily. I appreciate you and what you're teaching. Dude, that is awesome. Congratulations, man. That is unbelievable. Congratulations, guys. You guys are awesome. All right. About to hit a... let's see what we get here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Break that 268.30 and then head up to that 13. Come on now. I know you want to do it. You think Nancy's going to run to the 200 on the 5-minute? That's huge. All right. I just got scaled out of Nancy calls at 7%. That's pretty good. Going to throw a stop at around break even. Going to let this fucker go and then see what happens. Actually, I'm going to throw the stop in profit here. Fuck you. No. Oh. All right. Good. That was a stop. Good. I thought I fucked it up again. That was a good one. So let's see if this holds. If it doesn't, cool. But I think we're in a good spot with Nancy. Cool. $200 on the 5-minute would be like incredibly aggressive. 271. That's huge. I'm here for it though. I mean, we got another level up here. Let's see. Is this the one? Yeah. Data release? No, there's no more data release. All right. Now what Nancy's doing is it's trying to get above this 5-minute 13. You've got basically 3 minutes left on this candle. If it can close above 268.50, you might get some action. Let's see though. It's just spies for gonna fuck around with this thing. Nancy might just get a mind of its own here after this nasty drop that it had this morning. Baba, interesting. You think spy death? We'll see. Nancy, there's that little pop. Here we go. Come on. GDP data was this morning. GDP data was already released this morning. So 5-minute thigh gap on Nvidia is fucking paying right now. I'm up like 9% on it. Already sold half. Already sold half. Pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see if this gets a follow through move. I mean, I'm looking at this bullshit candle here. This level, 269.50. Here we go. You got meta puts. There you go. Good luck with that. Where is this? Yeah, it's just kind of flatlined here. I probably wouldn't be fucking around with that, but good luck to you. All right, minute left on this candle. If this can hold, that'll be very interesting. So now I'm up 10%. Cool. These are next week contracts. I'm not playing the daily or the tomorrows. If I was, I'd be up a shitload, but that's fine. Level, thigh gap, RSI, MACD. Boom. Easy. Let's see. Looks too good. Well, I was in here on this. I think it was this candle. These candles here. Mixing around in here. This was the stop and thigh gap, but I don't know. See what happens. Up like 9% on them. I want this to go like boom, boom. That would be great, but I don't know if we're going to get it with SPY teetering like this. Nancy, what are we going to get? Come on. You guys see how calm I am when I'm in these trades? It's like, okay, whatever. Even with this fucking around, all that nonsense, it's like, all right. Easy money, man. Easy money. You have to poop? I kind of have to go to the bathroom too. All right, guys, we are 12 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. I appreciate it. Let's see. I mean, dude, you guys see how easy this is with thigh gap and all the tools that we have for you? What else? Why are you looking at other shit? It doesn't make any sense. All right. How do you get thigh gap on your charts? You got to be in master. You got to be in master class. A break of 269 here would get spicy, I think, for Nvidia again. I mean, you've got these levels overhead. SPY teetering here. If it can get a that's not what you want on the SPY here to see a continued move in Nvidia. But at the same time, Nvidia kind of has a mind of its own today, so who knows? SPY is starting to slip here, though. Your lifetime? Oh, so go into master level updates and then you're good to go. There goes the Nvidia slip. And I mean, SPY slip and Nvidia just coming back down to that 5-minute 13. It doesn't really care. Like, that's what's interesting about this move. Like, it almost doesn't give a shit. Let's see what happens with SPY here. I mean, this is very similar to what we saw a few days ago. So we'll see. I mean, I have a stop in profit, so it doesn't really matter. But 269 is going to be that key level to break. Here it comes. SPY getting eating back up a little bit. Here comes Nancy a little. Let's see if we can get that push through 269 and then start to run a little. Especially if the SPY can eat this back up. No, didn't like it there. What am I up on these? Like 9, 10%, 10 and a half. Ava breaking these highs would get spicy. She gave me more than she should. Got out at 9. Yeah, I think my scale out was at 7.5. I'm up 12 right now. I'll probably move a stop slightly higher. Yeah, I want it there. So, I mean, this is like a nice little base hit here. I think I had like initially like 6 or 7 grand in the trade, scaled out. Now I've got like 3 or 4 grand in the trade. Just easy base hits. Easy base hits. This one wasn't sized up like crazy just because Nvidia was just in such knife land. Like that's just like easy scalp. All right, Tessie slipping. SPY, that is definitely a SPY slip there. Trying to grab some ES. Let's see. You got a couple seconds left. No, that's not great. Watch this thing move down, I bet. Yeah, I never got filled on the ES. Yeah, I tried to get it. I couldn't get it though. So what's SPY look like on the 5? Yeah, this thing looks like it wants to move down. Let's see. Disney starting to die. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Disney. Disney 5-minute thigh gap here. That's interesting. The daily chart looks fucking phenomenal on it. Look at this. Daily chart looks great with the traffic lights. SPY, big slip. Nancy holding on though. I wish I got that ES fill. That would have been nice. Now I don't want it. How close am I to the stop here? Like 10 cents away on the stop. On the Nancy, 7 cents away, 5 cents away. There, that's gonna hit it. Yeah, that hit it. Oh, that was a shitty fill, but whatever. Good base hit. Good base hit. Let's easy. Why has VSX been steady down for a month? VXX is broken. You're in tomorrow's expiration. Close that. Wait for now opportunity if it comes. Yeah. 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 You top take the SPY, but sold way too soon. That's fine. Now she'll rip via the anti-STV algo. NVIDIA? I don't know. I mean, this is a great scalp off the low, but let's see. All right, 2 minutes. Dude, AMD was the fucking play here. Look at this. You get it at midway on this candle, 84.32. You get a $2 move on it. I wish NVIDIA was able to do something like that, run back up, but it just couldn't. It just couldn't. You gave it all back. Wayne, here's the thing. Why the fuck were you trading it more if you were already up 2.5%? Why? Why are you doing that, bro? Fucking Jesus. Watch the damn trading psychology video. I can't help you guys if you're not going to help yourselves. Jesus, bro. Come on, man. Why the fuck were you still trading, dude? Seriously, bro. What are you doing? $10% on the day, thanks to a few Tesla plays and a few 28% on NVIDIA calls. Damn good day, Mason. There you go. SB, I needed to hear that. Chart close. There you go. If you're going to risk a percentage of your gains, fine. But if you're going to fuck around and just be like, yo, love, no, bro. You're up 2.5% for the day. Are you insane? Pay attention or pay a premium, guys. Come on now. Let's see. SPY teeter in here. Let's see. All right, guys. It is 11 in the morning. That is going to wrap it up for us today. Remember, guys, make sure that you guys are hopping into the platform for your first month for free. There you guys go. That is the link right there. I will see you guys at 12:30. Other than that, team, have a great rest of your day.